how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a pumpkin man. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, okay? So let's get started. Going to go over here and I'm going to curve on this side right here to kind of draw the pumpkin shape. Curve along here. Go around this side. Curve along here. It's going to go toward the top. Curve. Curve. Line at the top over here for a stem. Zigzag it here down. Line over here, and I'm gonna fill that in. All right. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna close off the bottom of this as well. Line up. Line up. Down over here, curve in. Down over here, curve in. Fill it in. Just kind of filling in that shape right there for the eye. Gonna go over here, fill in the shape to this side. So one thing I've noticed about this, the design language matters, right? So the black stem, the eyes are gonna be dark. And that's kind of the road I'm picking here. Go over there for one tooth on the side of his mouth, curve underneath, in over here, down over here, up here. Curve underneath. Filling in the mouth. Kind of that darkness of that pumpkin. By the way, if you like learning how to draw Halloween, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I'm going to be posting all season. The other thing about this is, don't forget to, when you subscribe to this, you subscribe not just for this year, you subscribe to next year's as well. Because whenever I stop posting, whenever the Halloween season's over, I'm not going to post as much, and you won't see them on your feed. But the next year, when it rolls around again, Halloween, you're going to start seeing videos on your feed for Halloween, and you're going to kind of want them at that point. So it's really awesome. There's no downside, so hit that subscribe. I'm going to go over here now, the center. Draw an upside down triangle here. Line across, and fill that in. Going to go over here. Curve. And I'm going to throw a line down right here and a spotted line going down for the texture of the pumpkin. Same thing over here. Over here now. Same thing. Just kind of following down. I'm spotting them because there's a couple of reasons why I'm spotting these lines. I don't want them to call attention. If I was to draw a big old thick line through that thing, it's gonna screw up the whole drawing. Possible that it won't, but I like this a lot more. And there are versions for everything depending on what's going on, but I like that version of it, right? This thin dotted line. I'm not dotting them in any particular way. It's just like I'm just dotting them as I go. I'm not overthinking it, really. Right on. All right. Now let's draw the little man part. So I'm going to go over here, and it's going to be the body. Out, down, up, in, right there. Almost like a Roblox character. Out, down, up, in, right there. It's just like an arm kind of going downward. Down over here, down over here. Line up right here, almost like the bottom of an H. So you have this kind of like little, that little body down there pretty much. And I'm gonna fill this in. Fill this in. All right, so like right there. And one last thing I'm going to do to this is I'm going to get a thicker outline on the outside of this, the outside of the pumpkin area, because I think that's what's going to really unify it together. Pretty good. I think I'm gonna get a little bit thicker here as well on this side. And like I say, the reason I do that is because what I really want is I want that to be kind of a unified look, and that's kind of like a lot of my stuff, if you've noticed. A lot of that stuff, I want that unification. As far as like, and that's everybody's stuff too. So I'm gonna add a little bit of color right here. I'm gonna grab this orange marker. You don't have to. This is purely extra, and it's gonna be 100% just kind of flat. Like the color is flat, nothing wild. I'm gonna fill that in flat. Woof! Kind of smells, by the way. Make sure to turn the fan on because these things smell bad, and you don't want to inhale this kind of stuff for any of these markers. Don't forget to check out the official website. It is sketchingeasy.com. There's a lot of cool stuff over there. A lot of extra downloads. There's a cool shop over there. You can buy stickers. I'm gonna start putting Halloween stickers for this season. Go check that out. There's a Godzilla sticker. Like everything is like art related, so it's Godzilla, baby Godzilla drawing. There's a sketchbook over there for like some of my personal stuff if you ever want to get some of that. But yeah, go check that out at the store over there. That's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for following. Go over there like I said beforehand, and what I want you to do is I want you to say hi to me in the comments. I want to reply to every single comment. That's my goal. So say hi to me in the comments, and I'll talk to you in the next video, which might be later today. See you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.